The big story we are breaking at this hour has got the first reaction of General Naravane after that big controversy. Penguin had put out two statements. General Naravane, the former army chief, is now endorsing that statement that has been made. He's reposted the publisher Penguin's statement. Penguin Random House had issued two statements, and the former army chief's book was not published, is what Penguin Random House had said, Maria. And
right.
it's now being endorsed.
Around 19 hours ago, Penguin, which is the publisher of this book, had said that this is not a published book. It had said clearly that no copies of the book in print or digital form have been published or distributed or sold or otherwise made available to the public by Penguin Random House. This is the publisher for this book. And General Naravane now saying that this is the status of my book. So let's be clear, what was being quoted by the leader of opposition on the floor of the House was content of an article from an unpublished book.
Right.
This is not a published book. There is a distinction that was being made by the Treasury benches that it is one thing to use the floor of the House for quoting published books. This particular book has not got clearance from the Ministry of Defence, and that is the reason why it remains an unpublished book.
Well, the fact of the matter is that does this really, or the question really before us is that whether this puts an end to that controversy or not. I don't think so. Shivani also has been tracking that big story. Shivani, Rahul Gandhi, the leader of the opposition, while casually speaking to reporters today, made a statement in Parliament talking about the fact that either of the two are lying. He believes that General Naravane is not lying. What more in this big saga of this book that has been published, pre-published? This conversation continues in that sense, isn't it?
Sneha, it's very important that General Naravane has broken his silence, though very briefly, but it has a very strong meaning. What he has done, he has quoted the statement that was given out by Penguin yesterday, and he says that this is the status of the book, in which the statement says that the book has not been published yet. It has not been given out. Any copies have not been given out. That means whatever Rahul Gandhi has been holding in the parliament is not being endorsed either by Penguin or by General Naravane. So that is a very strong and a very brief message by General Naravane. And this controversy has been on since days now. It's been almost 10 days, Sneha. But this is the first time when after 10 days, General Naravane has broken his silence and said that what Penguin says about the book, that it has not been published, is true, and that is the status of his book.
Right, so it's an endorsement of a statement that has been made by the publisher, in this case Penguin Random House, that says this book is not published. Rahul Gandhi spoke about it as well. That's been the argument of the Treasury benches, that where is this book? The opposition argues otherwise. Now the opposition, particularly being led by the Congress here, says that why talk about whether this book is published or pre-published stage? That is immaterial. The fact is that the contents of the book are going to in fact worry the government, and that's the reason why they are in fact so perturbed, is what the opposition has said. The controversy, of course, has erupted over the former army chief's book, which is pre-published. General Naravane, for the first time after this controversy erupted, has broken his silence. He's in fact endorsed Penguin Random House's statement. A tweet that was put out by Penguin Random House. I'm going to go back to Shivani. He continues to be with us. You know, Shivani, the fact is Penguin Random House not once but twice had put out a clarification talking about the fact that it's very different from it's been published or pre-published, and the fact that the publisher holds the rights to the book. Isn't it in a way also a snub to the leader of the opposition, who had in fact taken this book to Parliament, spoken about its contents? That is something that Penguin Random House has also indirectly spoken about.
Certainly, Sneha, what Penguin has done is its two important statements, and now what General Naravane has also supported and endorsed this statement by Penguin means that whatever Rahul Gandhi has been claiming is not the part of the book that Penguin has published, because the publisher is denying any publishing any copies or circulation of any such copies. It's calling it illegal, and it also says that it will go by law if any of these copies are there with anybody. So for that matter, it's also indicating that will Penguin go by law against LOP Rahul Gandhi, who's been holding the copy that has not yet been published and cleared by the MOD, not being published and circulated by the publisher itself. And now General Naravane is also endorsing that statement.
That's right. The big question is whether Penguin Random House is going to take this up legally or not. At least they've hinted at the fact that legal remedies are open for them. I'm going to thank you, Shivani, and also my colleague Maria, for their perspective on that story.